Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a new listing. We have a 2023 Invincible 36 Open Fisherman, just an awesome center console, great for fishing. This boat's decked out with all the right equipment as well. Starting here on the hull side, we have a colored hull. This boat has always been lift kept, so no bottom paint, overall in great condition. Fiberglass hardtop with a Garmin open array radar with a light bar. Outriggers, 2 VHF radios, all powered by triple 400 Mercs with about 400 hours, running great. As we step aboard the boat, you'll notice tons of rod holders up and down port and starboard side gunnels. All the coaming bolsters throughout the boat are in good shape. Large live well here along the aft transom. 2 big in-floor fish boxes, one off the starboard, one off the port. And one really unique thing about this boat that many 36 Invincibles do not have is a Seakeeper. So we have a Seakeeper 2 factory installed. We have a nice aft-facing leaning post, mezzanine seat, looking back. Port side dive door, great for boarding from the dock or from the water. So this does have a ladder that'll drop into place. Again, we do have outriggers. Fiberglass hardtop, color match to the hull. A nice, comfortable leaning post with diamond stitching. You can see the quality and the condition here through the video. And then a very well-appointed dash with all the right electronics, twin Garmin screens, upgraded Merc vessel view, 2 Icom VHF radios, Seakeeper display, bow thruster, autopilot, trim tabs, and everything you need right here at your fingertips, including a windlass through-hole windlass anchor. As we move up the port side, we have access into your head area, marine vacuum flush head, with all your battery switches and breakers here along the wall. Good storage down there as well. Moving forward, big open bow, great for fishing, storage up underneath the deck. Very comfortable lounger looking forward with storage underneath. Again, the diamond stitching is a nice look. Tons of storage below deck. Great for those long Bahama trips. And then we have access to our anchor locker. Again, this is a 2023 36 Invincible listed with Bryan McGlynn, MarineMax Stuart. The link to view this listing is included below in the description. Located in Stuart, Florida. Easy to see. Feel free to call my cell at 561-635-6811. We'd love to get you on board.